Pretty freaky stuff, isn't it?
What? You've never seen a talking spatula before? Wait, no, stop, stop, stop!
Now, will one of you pick me up off this floor? Now?
I am here to help you, and I'm the answer to your problem. You need to figure that out for yourself. Oh, no, not like that! You will need to use me to get your voices back. And there's more where that came from.
Oh, this means we can say and feed the world!
Yes! Oh my gosh! What the action?
I'm the magic spatula,
here to save the day. I'm here to help you when your voices go away. Use my special powers for food and fun and play. If you use me properly, what was lost will come back to stay.